Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Income earner. Located not far from the entrance to Green Acres in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, this incomplete 12 bedrooms, 6 bathroom house along with basement is waiting for an investor that is seeking to make an extra rental income. The land area is 10,000 square feet. All offers will be considered. Owner is ready to sell. Features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, cable, guest house, central location, easy access, family oriented, private setting, low maintenance yard, rural setting, view of the city, recreation nearby, quiet area, road paved, level lot, and pets are allowed. The asking price of this house is Jamaica 95 million or US 617,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.